21 of Vlogmas. I am on my phone for a little bit this vlog this morning because my memory card ran out last time I was using my camera, and I did not know, and I was like, my camera is broken. What have I done? What will I wear? No. I was like, why is it orange? And I thought I'd broken it, but it just turns out my memory card's full. I don't have time to go to town in Carlisle to get one. But this morning I'm up, I'm ready, and that's what we're doing. I'm coming back and getting ready because I'm going out. So let me take you with me. Might do a nice little get ready with me. But yeah, my hair is up because it's that greasy. You can tell. But yeah, let's get red dressed and then go. Ready, in the car, let's go. Do you know what I have done though? Okay. I have obviously got in the car, but I can't bother to go back in. Left my camera, so I can't literally just switch like that. I'll switch to get home. But yeah, let's head to Sainsbury's. I need to go to Next, and might go quick to Primark, see if they've got a bow for my hair tonight. It's gonna be manic. Excited. I have arrived in Carlisle. I've even got a free car park. And the park, well, let's go ahead in. The traffic wasn't too bad, so I'm hopefully it's not gonna be too manic. I've picked up the parcel. I have actually went to Primark and I got some bows, but I'll show you in the car. But I'm not sure about the car. I was going to get Costa, but not today. I thought it was busier, not that busy. Wonder if it's because I came in earlier. But off to Sainsbury's now, that might be manic. Yeah, let's go. My hand's getting sore already. Back in the car, this lighting is not the best. But I bought two bows to have a little look at today. So I've seen this one. Oh, I think I want them like together, but that one, and then back on the snaps of them, and then this one, but I feel like it's just a bit small. Like I want this texture and this style, but in that size. But I'm just gonna have a little go, but now I need to go for an SD card, memory card, what do you want to call it. Has been collected, so I'm gonna get some hot before we go home. So I can drink now and for later, and then it's time to put this in and get back to it. Where am I going? Down here? Down here. I am back. The camera is back. Woohoo! I'm gonna have some dinner. I'm gonna have an early dinner because we're going out about 5 today, so I'll have an early tea. So it just works out. But I will see you after lunch and shower. The tan is on. I've let it dry. While that's dried, I've had a cup of tea. But now I'm gonna dry the hair. Just down here, and then it's makeup time. I'm gonna set off about 5 o'clock to Carlisle. Don't have long. 3 hours, not 3 hours. Imagine. I think it's about 3 now. It's like 2, just under 2 hours. Fingers crossed I can get sorted in time. Oh, that is dry. Oh no. Oh. So I'm gonna do my hair first because I am not very good at hair. Oh my god. so that may take the most time. I'm gonna do a nice little, this is where it goes with the E6. Done. I might curl these bits later before I head out. They will come out. The bubble in there. The bow is now in. I don't know if it's too high. Oh, I went for the big one. I don't know if it's too high, but this is the angle it's going at because I think my hair is knotted underneath and I don't want to deal with that right now. That can be a drunk Evan problem when I go home. I'm gonna curl these bits in a minute. Not gonna do my makeup first because I can pin those back a little bit easier when I'm pinning. What time is it? It's 3:30. I might have a little drink while I'm getting ready. Please hold. A drink has been gotten. I don't actually know how I've got to do my makeup today. Just know that it's going to be like purple burgundy. But who knows? I'm going to make it so soft because I've just washed it. Obviously do my skincare. Although my, what time is it? Oh, that's fine. My dynamic pad's going to be black because I did put tan on my face. So it's going to bring it off. Funny. That is tan. Make sure to put it on my face. I've got to get in the shower still and wash it all off. That is black. That's disgusting. But going out makeup I do a little bit differently. So instead of dynamic I use Pro Collagen for the for the cream. But yeah, what are the plans? We're just gonna might do some nice little montages. I suppose I done like a nice look. I'm doing like a nice little get ready with me. I'm gonna go to a few little bows. I'm gonna be Cinderella before my tour. Get picked up at 12 because I need my sleep. And then I am with friends tomorrow again. Well, see Nabby and Sophie. And a curry celebrity. Well, I suppose you wouldn't. Tours is a celebrity. 1 second. I've got to put my phone back on charge. Yeah, Tours is a celebrity. My friend Jordan was on Corrie for a couple of episodes. If you watch Corrie, he was the guy that took Paul's money in the hotel. That's it. That's on iCurry. A few bars, a few pubs. Oh my. Also, whenever I go out with the girls I'm going out with that I'm still friends with from college, it always rains, always about, well, definitely winter. There's always like a weather warning. But we will go out. Come rain, come shine. The usual. I'm gonna start off with the brows. I wax waxed them last night, so that's a nice and fresh. So fresh and so clean, clean. Yeah. So I think I might just tell you what 3 I'm using, you know. So for my brows, I just use the Benefit pomade. I did used to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills one, but I don't know if I said I've had this a good few years, and I use it every day. Well, nearly every day. I went to Liverpool with the college girls, and there was none left, and I needed some Anastasia. There was none left, not in my colour. I needed some, and I was like, oh, I'll just try this Benefit one. Really good, really like it. I think I might just go back to Anastasia because it's the original. I don't know if you can see me even looking down too much. I think that last time I went out with these lot, I waxed my eyebrows like the day of, and I waxed not half it off, like this bit off. It's gone back, which is good. I thought it took a while, but actually the still. Oh, let's get rid. Also, isn't that the Tyson Fury fight tonight? Music again. I think it is actually, so it's gonna be busy. Saying that we booked places, and there was a lot of times that, which I thought would be quite quiet, because in where we live, where I live, they do something called Mad Friday, where everyone goes out on the Friday before Christmas, because obviously it's been payday. So I thought it'd be nice and quiet. I'd be able to get to the bar on time. No, it's busy. I was like, really? All the times? All the time. Have you less? So now I'm just concealing my. Oh, for God's sake, I don't think I've got another battery charge either. Hold. Hello, I'm back. One second. Oh, I have to close it up. Worst thing just happened. Not really worst thing. I was getting ready, but I just went for a wee, and I see this black thing coming down. I was like, oh, what is that? Spider. It was a spider. Just casually dropping from the ceiling. I was raging. So I let it go down. What is that? And I went, goodbye. Watch it walk away. See you later. Next, I'll put my rings on before I forget. It's my eyes. I don't know what I'm doing with my eyes. If I could, I'd just do a wing, but I cannot. So I am not going to. How nice is this? Nice enough. So I'm just gonna set the eyes. Oh, my concealer was the NARS one. We're gonna prime with the Peaches and Cream eyeshadow primer. Oh, what's going on? Oh, I touched it, that's fine. To like deep purples, and then that's it was full battery. Now it's flashing. See how long it goes. The makeup is done. The camera battery is, one of them is slightly charged, that's why I'm doing this now. The hair is curled. Just need to get dressed, and oh, put my lashes on. I nearly forgot about those. the makeup is done. I just need to put my lashes on. I'm going to curl these bits, go for some food, and then I wash the tan off with a full face on as well. I am ready. This is the outfit of choice. Oh, excuse the room, but you know, girls get ready. Let's go.